Right, hello everyone. Today we have a bit of a product review to do. Today it's the Miele Blizzard CX1 Hoover, which we've been sent purposely to do a review. It was sent for free, but they're not paying me to do it or anything, so it's completely my own opinions and stuff. But as you can see, we've got the box just here. Pretty hefty box, as you can compare to me just here. So we're gonna open it up, see what you get in the box, and give it a little test spin afterwards. To do now is to try the Hoover itself, so bear with me while I set it up and we'll get straight into trying the product out.